'Cause this ain't some rhinestone bit, and this ain't some circus show. Son, this is pure cowboy hits. Ain't your daddy's rodeo? No, it ain't his rodeo. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. Boys Guitar Lessons. Gonna teach you guys how to play this awesome song by Feidler. This song was requested, so if you guys have other requests, please let me know in the comments. I'm not gonna say the swear words in the song because I try not to swear very much, but so we will skip that. I will say other words like hits or things like that. Yeah, if you guys have other requests, let me know. I'm getting a lot lately, and so I'm really grateful for that. And I had never heard this song, never heard some other ones, and they're really great songs, so appreciate it. Please hit like and subscribe so you can get notified when I come up with new tutorials in the future. All right, let's get into it. Standard tuning and no capo. So this song only has 4 chords, and it's the exact same chord progression the whole time. Although he does switch up the strumming, I'm going to show you the way he strums at the intro and the first verse. You could do the whole time. All right, I think that's easier for you guys that are beginners. So I'm going to show you mainly how to do that one, and I'll show you a little bit about the other one. He's not super consistent, like he kind of changes it up. So I'll show you that. But let's get into it. So the chords that you're going to use for this song are G. All right, G. Pinky finger goes on the 3rd fret on the little E string. Ring finger goes on the 3rd fret on the B string. Middle finger goes on the 3rd fret on the big E string. And then your pointer finger goes on the 2nd fret on the A string. Okay, then you're going to do E minor. For E minor, I use my middle finger. I put it on the 2nd fret on the A string and put my ring finger on the 2nd fret on the D string. And that is it. All right, you're also going to do C. Just like that, okay? So ring finger goes on the 3rd fret on the A string, middle finger goes on the 2nd fret on the D string, and your pointer finger goes on the 1st fret, all right, on the B string. And then you do D, okay? So in this D, you can see you put your ring finger goes on the 3rd fret on the B string, your middle finger goes on the 2nd fret on the little E string, and your pointer finger goes on the 2nd fret on the G string. And I'm muting the top one, the big E string, with my thumb. Okay, so the reason I recommend playing this G is because it's very easy to go from D to G like that. Okay, so those are the chords you're going to use. Now the way you're going to start this song is you're just going to do G. So you're going to do down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Okay, so you're just gonna do that down, down, up, down, down, up, down. So you're just doing that down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay, just like that. So that's what you're gonna do, especially for the first verse. You're mainly gonna do these bottom ones. Okay, well, really, you can use D as well. Okay, but you're gonna do when the lights go down and I'm a rolling stone. Okay, so you can see, so you start, you're gonna do G. Okay, and then you're gonna do E minor. You can hear it in there. C. And then D. Okay, then you start, when these lights go down. Down is G. That's where you start playing the G when you in the lyrics. When the lights go down and I'm a rolling stone. Stone is E minor. When the show leaves. Okay, so you do when the show leaves. Show leaves is gonna be C. Show leaves town and we put it on the road. Road is D. Okay, and the timing is always a little bit different for road. Like he goes like into it faster. But you can do on the road. I got a wandering mind. Okay, mind is G, mind. And a hand on the wheel. Wheel is E minor. Wheel. Wheel. People listen to the songs you know. People listen to the songs you know how I feel. So on listen you do C. Listen to the songs you know how I feel. Feel is D. Feel. 'Cause this ain't some rhinestone. Okay, then you go to the chorus. You're gonna do is where you do rhinestone. Rhinestone bit, and this ain't some circus. So you could just play it the whole song like you're playing that first verse right there. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to play the rest of the chorus like that, because then you could play the whole song like that. It would just be the easy way to play it. All right, cause this ain't some rhinestone. Rhinestone is G. Rhinestone bit. And this ain't some circus. Circus is E minor. Circus show. Son, this is pure cowboy. Okay, cowboy is C, so that's easy to remember. Cowboy hits. Ain't your daddy's okay, rodeo is where you do D. Rodeo. No, it ain't his rodeo. And you're just gonna keep doing G, E minor. All right, you're gonna finish the chord progression with no lyrics. C, and then D. Now I'm rambling around. Okay, so you go to the second verse just like you did the first one, all right? So, but when you get to the chorus, all right, so you can play it like that. I think that's the easier way to play it for sure. But if you guys want, you can try and do the... There's a couple ways you can do that. If you want to just be easy and be close to it, you can just do down, mute, 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 down. Okay, so you can do, cause this ain't some rhinestone bit, this ain't some circus show. Son, this is pure cowboy hits. Ain't your daddy's rodeo. No, it ain't his rodeo. So you could just do it like just down, mute. Okay, just that down. You're just muting it every time. All right, that's an easy way to kind of be like in between. And then once the chorus hits, you're actually supposed to be doing that new strumming pattern throughout the whole song if you're playing it just like he does. All right. The other one is that he's doing. So okay, so you're doing down. You go. So you do a single down. Okay, down. All right. So I'm doing down, mute, down, up, down, down, mute, down, up, down, mute, down, mute, down, up, down. Okay, so you're doing alternates. So you're doing like single strum and then you're doing double strums. All right. Now that's way harder and it takes a lot more memorization for you guys. So really listen to it if you want to try and do it like that. But I think for you guys that are beginners, I would just do just like that. Okay. I would just do it without the mutes, or you could add in single slaps strums. Okay. Anyway, let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. Thanks for watching. It's been fun, and I'll see you next time.